Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Explorer ST. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, warm up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the old oil flow more easily. Then, locate the drain plug on the oil pan and position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to drain completely. Now, let's move on to replacing the oil filter. Find the old oil filter, which is typically located near the oil pan. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new oil filter until it's snug and give it an additional 1/4 turn. With the old filter removed, it's time to add fresh oil. First, securely reinstall the drain plug, being careful not to over-tighten it. Next, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Using a clean funnel, slowly pour in the recommended type and amount of new oil. Your Ford Explorer ST typically requires about 6 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic engine oil. For the final steps, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. While it's running, carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.